How's it going? We're back with another video. Don't forget, every Mezcal Monday here at Mezcal Buzz. And today I have a cocktail recipe for you guys. One of my all-time favorites, the Paloma. Let's get to it. All right, I'm making one of my all-time favorites, the Paloma. You can never go wrong with a Paloma. And today's variation is called Pink Paloma by Mezcal Campante. So let's get right to it. I have Mezcal Campante with me today, a great blend of Agave Espadín and Barril. Mezcal Campante's recipe calls for 1.5 ounces of mezcal, but you guys know how I like to taste the mezcal through my cocktails. So we're gonna go on and add 2 ounces of Mezcal Campante here. We're gonna add those right here to our shaker. And what makes a Paloma is some fresh toronja juice, grapefruit. So we got some fresh squeezed grapefruit juice here that I have here. It actually calls for 3 ounces here. So we're gonna get our ounces mixed up in here. 1, 2, and 3. And for those of you mixologists out there, do you like to have your ingredients ready the night before? Do you do it the day of? I mean, this was one grapefruit that got me about 6 or 7 ounces, I'd say. So how do you work with your fresh ingredients? The recipe also calls for 1 ounce of fresh lime juice. So I have my little squeezer of limes here today. Last time I tried to do it by hand, and if you saw the last video, you would have saw that a lot of it kind of went out. So we got another half here. 1 ounce of lemon juice, fresh lime juice, lemon, lime, tomato, not the same thing, but I don't want to get into the lime debate today. I usually like to put orange juice as well in my Palomas because it adds a little bit of sweetness to it. But this recipe doesn't call for orange. It's the Pink Paloma, so we're gonna keep it pink with the toronja. All right, we're gonna put 1 ounce of syrup, simple syrup, but we're gonna use AGAVE again today, which is jarabe de agave, which is some agave syrup. Really good agave syrup. All right, we're gonna end up topping off this cocktail with some grapefruit soda. And we're gonna get some ice into our shaker here so we get it nice and cold. You could stir this cocktail, but like my friend James Bond likes to say, shaken, not stirred. So let's top our shaker and get a good shaking. Nice and cold already. Woo! You could really start to see the shaker start to frost. Get your hands pretty numb. You know it's pretty good when it's like that. All right, so I'm kind of skipping steps here, so bear with me here. An important step, I'm gonna take one of these lemon limes that I used, and I'm going to use this to salt the rim of our glass here. And here I have some sal de gusano that was sent over from Mezcal Campante. And I actually have a little blended here with tajin, because I like the citrusy sourness that tajin has. So that makes for a good combination. And salt here. So we're just rimming one side of it. I don't like to have an intense saltiness on your lips from the cocktail, so we'll stick to the half rimmed glass. Let's add some ice to our glass too. Did I forget that step? All right, what's a good way to remember steps here in our cocktails, right? It's pretty fun though. Can't wait to taste it. One of my favorites, like I said. All right. Yeah, one more shake. We're just gonna do a little single top strain right here. Pour that in. It's not so pink, huh? Did I need more grapefruit? We're gonna top it off with this grapefruit soda. I did go ahead and grab one of the pink variations here. Some of your grapefruit sodas aren't pink. Yeah, topped off, there we go. There you have it, Pink Paloma, courtesy of Mezcal Campante. Great summer cocktail here. Really any time, I'd like to say, is a good time for a Paloma. So let's give it a good taste. Ah, geez Louise. The 2 ounces of mezcal is perfect because it really comes through the different flavors. And the mezcal is definitely a flavor I don't want to miss in these cocktails. But let me know what you think. Let me know some of your favorite cocktail recipes that I should try out. And remember, Mezcal Monday is a new video here on Mezcal Buzz. If you haven't yet, subscribe to make sure you catch all the new videos. Catch you next time. I'm gonna go let my pregnant wife taste this real quick. She liked it. Oh, I like it too. I think there's still some more in here.